Hello and welcome to my first Lumpology game devlog. Devlog, yes. So today I want to demonstrate the very simple yet effective IP ban system I have in place. It's driven by this line of code, this simple bool function here. It may look a bit confusing at first, but let's unpack it. So in this game there's a server type called client data that is passed into Vic's account IP band, is band IP. And this is a function that just opens an ifstream file called ban IP. Then we're just looping through each line of that file and checking if the client data, if the client's address, and address being IP address, is equal to any of the lines inside this file. If it is, it'll return true. If it's not, it'll return false. Alright, so in practice, I'll be using local IP, so it really doesn't matter. I have an IP in here, so if I don't have an IP address in here, let's just run the server. Alright, so here is the server, and I'll run the client. And so the goal is to make it to the loading screen with this. So you see we've made it to the loading screen and the address is confirmed. And so then all we gotta do, I don't even need to restart it, but if I put the IP address back in, and I'll just throw the IP address back in there, save it. I shouldn't have restarted, I don't actually need to, but here we go. And I'll just launch this, and now it'll stall for a bit and nothing's going to happen because the server is ignoring the client, and then we'll get the error screen when it times out. So yeah, that is the very simple IP ban system for the Lumpology game. Thank you for watching. This has been a devlog.